Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Dash Coin. The price line of Dash has broken out another resistance, and in today's video, we will take a look at the next targets, the expected targets for Dash Coin. But before moving to the charts, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for my members on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me show you this analysis that I shared on 9th of November for my members at the Patreon, and that was the formation of a bullish pennant, and the price line was breaking out this pennant on the daily time frame. On the 4-hourly time frame, we had the confirmation. Therefore, I shared this idea, and our first target was $2.2, $220, and the second target was $278. The price line was moving at $207 at that time. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price line started a very big move and rallied up to $247. But in the month of November, the price line dropped down again, and right now it has broken out another resistance. But before this breakout, I would like to show you the weekly time frame first. And here we are already at the support of a very big symmetrical triangle, and you can see that the support of the triangle is very long term. That was found here in December 2019, and we had a nice rally. We again tested the support again, and we had another nice rally. We had another test. We had a very big rally, by the way. This rally was approximately 660% in the month of May 2021, and again the price line dropped at the support. We had another rally. Right now we are again at the support of the symmetrical triangle, and while moving at the support, the price line has broken out another resistance of the falling wedge on this daily time frame. You can see we had several touch points at the support and several touch points at the resistance as well. Recently, the price line has broken out, and at the same time, the price line has also broken out this exponential moving average 21 on this daily time frame. Previously, this EMA 21 has been working as a nice support for the price line during the previous rallies. We can see it worked as a nice support here, and it worked as a very nice support in the month of July to August 2021. And we had a nice rally. Therefore, this time again, it can work as a very nice support. And you can see that the price line is also likely to have a rise from this support of the big symmetrical triangle. Now, if the price line of Dash Coin moves at least up to this resistance, that will be approximately at $211. And in case of breakout, our next target can be, this is the conservative target I'm just going to show you from this resistance to this support. This is the measurement, and after placing it, for example, if we are expecting a breakout from here, that will be approximately $500. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for my members on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.